So in this video, we're going to talk about how to allocate a class or a class object to heap memory in Python. So in Python, I'm going to create a class that I'm still going to call person. Okay, from person, we're going to define, we'll define the init function as well. So we're going to set up a field or an attribute of age. Okay, so we're going to say age. We're going to say self. So this is a constructor. So say age self.age is equal to age. So meaning of a variable age, an attribute age, which is set to the value of the age you're going to pass. Okay, to the constructor. Now I'm going to create a method called sayName. Okay, to sayName. So this method is just going to print to the screen. It's going to say heap memory. Okay, so it says heap memory. So now that we have created the class with two methods, we want to create the object. So to create the object, I'll create object. The object is going to have a name of person. Okay, then we're going to say new. Okay, new person, like this. So to person, we're going to pass the age that the constructor is expecting. So the age will be 1. Okay. We're saying unresolved reference of new. So we'll click save. Okay, so we're using the new keyword here in Python. Okay, so one thing you should understand about Python is that Python does not allow you to use the new keyword. But for as long as you're creating a class object, automatically, if you're creating a class object automatically, the class object will be put on what? Will be put on heap memory. Okay, so in Python you don't say new. You say new. No, Python does not allow you to do that. Okay, but then what happens in Python is that this variable here, the variable is going to be on stack memory. This object name is going to be on stack memory. Then it's going to be pointing to the heap. Okay, the object which is in heap memory here. So this is stack. This is on stack. This is on heap memory. That's how Python works. So we're going to say person and CNAME, and you run that. Exactly, we have heap memory. So that is how you allocate dynamic memory, or how you allocate an object to heap memory in Python. So remember, in Python you don't use the new keyword here. It's not allowed. So it functions like Java but without a new keyword. That's just how Python works. So if you need to change the person, you said parent. Okay, you also have to come and say parent here. Then you can just name the object name within P. Okay, for this, let's name this one guardian. So still come and say guardian.sayName, run this, gives us the same result. So in Python, please don't use the new keyword. It's not allowed in Python. You're not allowed to do that in Python. Okay.